Hi there. Do you want to build exciting and innovative embedded systems products? If you want to, come build with me. Ever wondered why we still touch water dispensers in a world where everything is going contactless? From dirty hands to wasted water. The struggle is real. But what if I told you there is a smarter way to get your water without even touching the dispenser? Stay with me. Think about it. After handling cash, shaking hands, or even just coming back from outside, we go straight to the dispenser, germs everywhere. And don't forget the unnecessary spills from manually pressing that stiff lever. But today, we are going fully automatic. Want to see? Now check this out. This is an automatic water dispenser. No need to touch anything, just place your cup and the water flows. It's clean, efficient, and super cool. So here is how it works. This is a simple design from Circuit Digest, and this is the circuit diagram that was drawn with freezing tool. It has an ultrasonic sensor that detects when a cup is full under the dispenser, and it has a MOSFET that acts as switch to turn a solenoid valve that controls the water flow. So when the cup is removed, the system stops dispensing. So this means no water is wasted, that is, no wasted water and no need to touch anything. Now here is my own design. Now you've seen the circuits designed by Circuit Digest, then check out my own design. But here's the catch. The one you see right now isn't built like the one I showed you earlier by Circuit Digest. So tell me in the comments, how do you think my version works? What sensors do you think I used? Let's see who gets it right. Please drop your comments in the comment section below. Just tell me how this one works, because this is my own design and it's different from the one I showed you that was designed by Circuit Digest. So I just want to hear your thoughts. I just want to hear you tell me the sensors I use and how I placed them, because this one is way different from the design by Circuit Digest. Alright guys, and please don't forget to like this video, please drop your comments, and please share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel if you are not subscribed. And thank you. So this is how my own automatic water dispenser works. So I'm going to drop a link to the technical article by Circuit Digest. Alright, so this is the name of my company, Obitech Automation, and thank you for watching. Yeah. So guys, did you enjoy this video? If you did, smash the subscribe button, like, just give me a thumbs up, and drop your comment about the video and the next project you would want me to upload in this channel. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.